Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to enable the battery saver feature on the Opera GX browser. This feature is really useful for saving power while browsing, especially if you're using a laptop. Let's dive right in. First, open the Opera GX browser on your computer. Once you're in Opera GX, just click on the Opera menu in the top left corner of the screen, and then choose Settings. Here, search about Battery Saver. You'll see a simple toggle switch here. Click the toggle to turn on Battery Saver mode. Opera GX also lets you automatically turn on Battery Saver when your battery reaches a certain percentage. Here you can choose to enable Battery Saver when your battery drops to a specific percentage, like 20% or 30%. This way, the browser will automatically save power when your battery is low. If you want a quick visual indicator, you can also enable the battery icon. In the Battery Saver settings, you'll see an option to show the battery icon in the browser. Once enabled, you'll see the battery status in the top right corner of the browser, so you can keep an eye on your battery level. With Battery Saver enabled, Opera GX reduces background activity, lowers the impact of animations, and cuts down on other resource-heavy tasks, all of which help your laptop last longer without needing a recharge. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Battery Saver on Opera GX, including the automatic activation at a specific battery level and the battery icon. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.